Hello students, we are now going to see experiment number 10 on page number 54 of your 11th standard manual. The experiment is determination of magnetic moment of a short bar magnet dipole using a deflection magnetometer. That is the aim, to calculate the magnetic moment of given magnet using deflection magnetometer. The apparatus is deflection magnetometer, bar magnets and meter scale. Bar magnet, these are the bar magnets which you will be given. We have magnet 1 and magnet 2. This is for example magnet 1 and the other one is magnet 2. Okay. Then this is the deflection magnetometer. The deflection magnetometer consists of this magnetometer consists of two arms, and we have got this magnetic compass. This magnetic compass, and these are the two arms. Magnetic compass consists of a magnetic needle. Okay, this magnetic needle is black color magnet, basically showing north here and south here. So right now the north pole is this side, north side is here, and south is this. This magnetic needle indicates the magnetic field of the earth. So with north pole this side, south pole this side. Along with that, perpendicular to it is the pointer. The pointers are here 1 and 2. Okay, then this is the scale which goes from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 till 90, then 90, 70, 80 and so on up till 0, then 0 to 90, 90 to 0. So this way there are 4 quadrants: 0 to 90 first, 90 to 0 second, third and fourth. Okay, along with that you can see over here there is a scale which starts from here. It starts from here: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 20, then 25 and so on. And this is the stand on which we can mount the magnet. और ये मैग्नेट के स्टैंड में साथ में इधर पॉइंटर है, तो ये पॉइंटर आपको रीडिंग दिखा देगा. तो एज यू मूव इट यू कैन गेट द रीडिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पॉइंटर. Okay, so this is the apparatus, the deflection magnetometer, the scale which is here along with it, and the magnetic compass. The magnet with the two magnets which we are given. Now in this experiment we have to do the experiment with two position. For position tan A, and on the next page we have position tan B. So initially we have to adjust the apparatus for the two positions. So whenever we start with the reading, tan B पोजीशन पे भी एडजस्ट करना है, tan A पे भी एडजस्ट करना है. पहले हम लोग tan A का एडजस्टमेंट देखते हैं. What is tan A adjustment? The tan A adjustment is this, that these are the two arms of the deflection magnetometer. So when you adjust the compass can be rotated. Keep it in such a manner that 0, 0 of the scale, the 0, 0 of the scale is along the arms of the magnetometer, and 90, 90 is perpendicular to it. Obviously ये 0, 0 होएगा तो ये 90, 90 हो ही जाएगा. उसके बाद क्या करना है कि जो पॉइंटर है, पॉइंटर को भी 0, 0 पे एडजस्ट करना है. I will show you how to do about with this. But keep in mind that when you are going to adjust this, the magnets have to be far away from the apparatus. Okay, so let us do this adjustment. Here we are having this magnetic compass. You can see right now these are the two arms, and 70 and 70 is coinciding, which is not correct. I have to keep it with 0 and 0. So I will rotate this magnetic compass, bring it in such a manner that 0 and 0 coincides. तो ये 0 पे आ गया, 0 coincides with the arm. Similarly here also 0 will coincide with the arm. Okay, if it doesn't add, you have to adjust in such a manner that 0, 0 coincides. So it is like this. So 0, 0 coincides with the arms. You can see over here 0 and 0 is coinciding with the two arms like this, in this manner. And pointer is not at 0, 0. So we will slightly tap it and just to see whether it is properly moving. और फिर इसको 0, 0 पे मूव करने का ऐसे. Just rotate the arms such that it comes to 0, 0. Okay, so I have rotated the two arms in such a manner that now the pointer is at 0, 0. So here you can see that this pointer is exactly coinciding with 0 if you see from top, whereas this pointer is not coinciding with 0. ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि ये पाइवट पे है, it is kept on the pivot, तो it may be slightly bent. तो bent होने की वजह से it may be not properly aligned. But anyway, इफ वन ऑफ द पॉइंटर इज एग्जैक्टली एट 0 इट शुड सफाइस, इट शुड बी गुड इनफ. तो ये वाला पॉइंटर जो है वो 0 पे है, ये वाला पॉइंटर 0 पे नहीं है तो भी चलेगा. वी कैन टेक रीडिंग विद दिस पॉइंटर. तो दिस इज tan A पोजिशन. आई रिपीट, tan A पोजिशन क्या करना है. tan A पोजिशन में ये आर्म्स ऑफ द डिफ्लेक्शन मैग्नेटोमीटर है. ओके, दिस इज द मैग्नेटिक कंपस. मैग्नेटिक कंपस का 0 0 शुड कोइंसाइड विद द आर्म्स ऑफ द मैग्नेटोमीटर. उसके बाद 90 90 ऑब्वियसली परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा. दूसरी चीज, आपको पॉइंटर को एडजस्ट करना है विद 0 0. ठीक है, दिस इज tan A पोजिशन. दिस विदाउट एडजस्टिंग दिस यू कैन नॉट स्टार्ट विद द एक्सपेरिमेंट. तो पहले आपको ये एडजस्ट करना है और उसके बाद यू हैव टू असर्टेन, इंश्योर दैट इट शुड नॉट मूव फ्रॉम दिस पोजिशन. पूरे एक्सपेरिमेंट में ये मूव नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी डिस्टर्ब्ड. ये डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा तो आपको वापस से एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तो दिस इज tan A पोजिशन. ओके, लेट्स प्रोसीड विद द magnet 1. I'll take magnet 1. This is first magnet and I'll keep it in this position. इसको इस तरह से रखना है along the such that the length is along this. Okay, so I keep it here in this manner. I place it. It is someone has written A, so this is magnet 1 for me. I'll place it this way in such a manner that the center of the magnet coincides with this tip. Center of the magnet coincides with the tip. इस तरह से इसको एडजस्ट कर देना है. ठीक है, center of the magnet coincides with the tip, something like this. Okay, in this manner. And then what I have to do, then I have to move the magnet in such a way that the pointer which is at 0 0, this pointer goes to 45 degree. Okay, ये मैग्नेट को आप मूव करेंगे तो इफ आई मूव दिस मैग्नेट, यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, इफ आई मूव द मैग्नेट द पॉइंटर विल डिफ्लेक्ट. यू कैन सी देयर इज डिफ्लेक्शन इन द मैग्नेटोमीटर का पॉइंटर. इफ आई मूव इट बिहाइंड, इट गोज बिहाइंड. इफ आई ब्रिंग इट क्लोजर, इट मूव्स वन साइड. तो जब पीछे लेके जाते हैं तो पीछे जाता है, 0 बढ़ाते हैं तो डिफ्लेक्शन बढ़ते जाता है. तो एज द मैग्नेट कम्स क्लोजर, डिफ्लेक्शन गोज टूवर्ड्स 90. इफ आई मूव द मैग्नेट बिहाइंड, deflection goes towards 0. So I have to adjust this magnet ka position in such a manner that it is at 45 degree. Okay, so I'll move it here and such a manner that it comes to 45 degree. I'll keep tapping so that if the pointer is not properly at pivoted, it will move and come to 45 degree. So I'll move it behind and bring it to 45 degree. Just a moment and keep tapping it. Okay, moving it further behind. Okay, it has gone back. I'll bring it closer. Okay, now I think it has come to 45 degree. You can see the pointer is at 45 degree. Okay, the pointer is at 45 degree here. This is slightly behind because it is bent, so it is not showing properly, but one pointer is exactly at 45 degree. Now I'll note down this reading. Let me see what is the reading. It is showing around 15, 16, 17, 17.4 something. So I'll write down over here, and this is position D1. I am writing with pencil, but you will write with pen. I am getting, once again I'll check. It is showing 15, this is 15, then this is 16, 17, 17.4 something. So I'll write it here, 17.4 centimeter. This is my first reading. Now for second reading what I will do, I will change the polarity of this magnet. मतलब ये अगर नॉर्थ है ये साउथ है तो इसको उल्टा कर देने का. Okay, just reverse the polarity in this manner. Like this, and again see that it is at the center of this, such that the pointer ka and center coincides. Then let us see the deflection. The deflection has gone on the other side. Now I'll slightly tap it and again move the magnet. Now you can see it is around 60 and 70. So I'll move this magnet behind and see the deflection. It is decreasing. Still move it behind and keep tapping. I'll move it further behind. I'm moving it further behind. Okay, and let's see this. I'll keep tapping and see where the pointer moves. Okay. It is showing around 50 something. So I'll move it further back. Now it is come to 45, you can see slightly more. इसको थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करते हैं. Now you can see it is coming at 45 degree. And what is this reading? The reading is showing around 30.6. Okay, 30.6. So I'll write down here. It is 30.6. 30.6. So this was with magnet 1, right? Now what I will do, I'll replace it with magnet 2. I'll take the second magnet. First I'll take out this magnet and place it back here. Take second magnet. ये magnet को रख दिया. Take second magnet, and second magnet में भी north and south होता है, तो I'll keep it here, right? And check the deflection. You can see it is around 30-40 something, so it is less. So I'll bring the magnet closer and notice the deflection. Again move it further nearby. So it is going on the other side now. It is coming at around 45 degree. I'll tap it bit. Okay, so you can see it is coming around 45 degree. 45 degree. What is this position? It is showing around 19.4. So for magnet 2, I will write this as 19.4. Fine. Then I'll change the polarity of this magnet. For second position, for same position, I'll change the polarity. Tan A position may change the polarity and ascertain that it is exactly at the center, and see the deflection. The deflection is coming around 70. So I have to take it behind and keep tapping. Take it further behind. So I am moving the magnet backwards, and what is happening? It is deflection is decreasing now. You can see it is going down. Keep tapping here slightly, और इसको आगे लेके जाते हैं. Take it further back and see the deflection moving. It is decreasing. It's come to around 50 something now. Take it further behind. Check it again. So it is coming to 45 degree. So you can see it has come to 45 degree now. Note down this reading. How much is this reading? It is around 35, 36, 36.7. So I'll write down this as 36.7. Then after this what we will do? We will take the average of the two. इन दोनों का मीन यहाँ पे लिखना है, फिर इन दोनों का मीन यहाँ पे लिखना है. Okay, add and divide by 2, add and divide by 2. Then you will use this formula. M equal to BH tan theta 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 d cube. Here BH का value will be given to you. The value of BH is 4 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. That we'll put and we'll do the calculation and get the value of M for tan A position. ठीक है, तो tan A में M का वैल्यू ये मिल गया, M2 का मैग्नेट का वैल्यू ये मिल गया. ये कैलकुलेट किया इधर, ये आंसर यहाँ लिखना, ये कैलकुलेट किया, ये आंसर यहाँ लिखना. दिस इज हाउ वी डू द tan A पोजिशन. ठीक है. नाउ विल सी द tan B पोजिशन.